Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to reset password of administrator or any admin account if you have forgotten. Imagine that you have a production server and you are not able to log into that server. It will be a big problem. There is a possibility that you have forgotten the password or you took KT from someone and he did not share the admin password with you. In this case, we cannot ignore that computer as it is having business data, which is very critical for company. Now you will learn this easily. Let's move to my computer. So this is my computer, and I do not remember the password. I try some password, but I can't log in. And now you can see this ease of access. We are going to replace this with the CMD, and from there we will reset the password of our admin account. Here you can see this is my administrator account. Name is administrator as well. Admin account name is administrator. Name may be different. People are choosing name as per their company standard for admin accounts. Local admin account. This is not related to any Active Directory account. We are talking about that you have forgotten password of your local administrator. Okay. So what we can do, we will just power off the server first. And we need to ensure here we have working ISO. If you're not having this, then it is not possible. But you can use any DVD which is having operating system. I also have this. I can use that as well, but I don't want to use because it will take time. It is easy. So I'm going to use this. I have a ISO of 2012 operating system in my D drive. Okay, that's fine. Here I need to go power, and you need to select this power onto firmware. Okay, we are in the BIOS. Please ensure that CD-ROM drive is on the top. Here you can see CD-ROM drive on the top and hard drive in the second. But CD-ROM should be on the top. If you see that CD-ROM is down, what you can do, you can just, for example, CD-ROM is down here. What you can do, you can bring it up first. Okay. Now you can see here on the bottom F10 save and exit. So I will do F10 in my keyboard and I will say yes and it will restart. I need to press enter before 5 dots pass. Every company is having different procedure to reach out to BIOS or access to BIOS, how to set CD-ROM or DVD drive on the top, how to set it for boot purpose. So it may be different in a different hypervisor like Hyper-V, VMware Workstation, ESXi. So you can just take a look of that company's document to understand and then you will get it and the rest process will be almost same. We need to select this. Next, repair, troubleshoot, command prompt. Here, I know that my operating system was installed in C drive and most of the company install the operating system in C drive, but here operating system may be different. I'm not sure. I'm not saying that okay 100% it will be different, but 99% it will be different. So you need to know in which drive your operating system is so that you can select correct operating system drive to perform your activity. What you can do, type disk part, there is single word. Okay, now type list volume, two different words. Here you can just try to judge or guess in which drive your operating system will be. Definitely it is not G drive, it is not in the C drive as well because it's 350 MB only. And here you can see E drive SQL data, that is not my operating system drive, and E volume, that is also not looking my operating system drive. But we have this one 49 GB, it is installed in FGB. So we can just think okay FGB will be our operating system drive, otherwise we will go for D or E because G and C are not definitely our operating system drive. So okay, let's try with F first. You can note down somewhere, otherwise you will have to come here again to save the time. I selected D and E somewhere. Okay, exit, we came out. Now we type F colon enter. Now we in F drive and we see we type CD Windows. Here we are in Windows and we can type dir. Yeah, looking my drive as well. Okay, CD and then Windows, sorry, system 32. SYS, okay, sorry, system 32. Very good. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to rename utilman.exe to the new name, and you can give any name that you want to change. But now utilman.exe, we are going to rename this to utilman.exe.old. You can give any name. So now we are going to copy, or I would say we are going to make a duplicate copy of cmd.exe and we will give this name utilman.exe. Okay, what you can do, let me tell you again, we are going to create a duplicate copy of cmd.exe and we want to give that name utilman.exe so that we can use that for our purpose. So we just type copy cmd.exe and we will give name utilman.exe. File has been copied. Now we will say exit. Very good. Now we will restart. No need to press enter now. As I told you in the beginning, we are not talking about reset password of Active Directory, we are not talking about reset password by using computer management when we are having access to particular member server or local server. We are only talking about password reset of any server or computer if we are not able to log in we have forgot the administrator password and there is no other option. So in the beginning we came here, that was different. Now we have CMD. So now we type net user. It will show me what are the accounts here and for which I want to change the password. I can see here that account name is administrator, but some of the companies do not allow last password visibility for security reason. So you cannot see what was the password, what was the account and for which you want to change the password. So you can just come here and type this command end user and you will see all the accounts created on that computer. So now you want to change the password, what you can do, net user, account name and the new password. Suppose I want to give hello@4839. Enter, exit. Now hello, sorry, hello@4389. You can see here as well what my password is. Same that I chose there. What happened? 4839. 4839. So we are in. As I told you, if your computer is joined to domain and you have created any account or you have added any account as an administrator and that particular server, so no need to perform this activity. You can simply log in or access open your CMD by using that particular account which is having admin access, and you can easily reset the password for that local account as well. But whenever your computer is not joined to domain or no Active Directory user account is having admin privilege on that particular computer, then definitely will have to proceed for this procedure. So try some other possibilities first. If nothing is working, then definitely it will work. And then now it is time to undo the changes so that we can get easy of access, actual easy of access instead of CMD. Shut down guest. Okay. We know ISO has been set already, so no need to do anything. Come here, power, select this button. So here also no need to change anything because we know very well that okay. But if we have reached out here, let's see. Socket CD is on top. Press F10 and enter. Okay. So as I told you, different hardware, different hypervisor have different procedure to boot the computer from ISO or CD. So you can read out the documentation and rest process is almost same. Next, repair your computer. Here, again, we need to see where my operating system is. Type disk PART apart. List volume. Okay, so again it's an F drive. Very good. Exit here. F. Colon. Now navigate to CD Windows. CD System 32. Very good. Now we are going to delete utilman.exe, which is actually cmd del utilman.exe. Okay. Now rename utilman.exe.old to utilman.exe. Okay. Exit. We can try and restart. Yes, if it works. Shut down. Keyboard is R. Forces F. As I told you, there are many way to reset the local admin password. You can create the key. You can use paid softwares. You can use any domain account if computer is joined to domain and that particular account is having admin access on your computer. If nothing is going to work or company is not going to purchase the new software, no problem. This will work. I'm going to log in again with the same password. You can see. So we can type anything. So nothing has broken. Everything is there. My active directory is there. My DNS is here. My data is also here. We did not change anything except resetting password for my administrator account. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.